Hey guys, what's going on? Well, we're back on the Trailblazer again today, 4.2 liter straight 6, and we're gonna do just something simple, and that's changing the spark plugs. And it is pretty simple, however, you do gotta remove a few things to get there. I'm gonna show you how I do it. Did not come with the I'm going to start by removing the air box here. That's 8 mil. Just kind of wiggle it. Another 8 mil, and then there's a 10 mil holding the box down. Let's see, is there another bolt? That is it. So then, yep. And there's a vacuum line that's just popped off. Is there another bolt holding this down? There is. I know there is. Right there. Don't go breaking stuff, guys. There we go. Little harness clip there, which just squeeze the underside. I need to get some pliers. Nope. Now you got access to the 6 coils, and one is kind of underneath, but you should be able to do it just fine as long as you got long arms, 1/4-inch drive, ratchet. Won't get to use the power tools on it, that's okay. These clips, the gray part slides out carefully, I think, just a tiny bit. And so the gray part just pops up a tiny bit, and then you can push in the black tab to get it up. You gotta press that black piece down real hard. It goes in real deep. Gosh, there's them. There's 2 clips under here. If they're not already broke, you just get like a panel popper tool. Pop this up. Scoot that back just enough to get to that 10 mil bolt on this first coil.
Where's your dramatic enough? I got some more plants starting too. Square things. The fake dirt.
Yeah, the starters.
I got a few morning glories and the seeds that I had gotten started for those coleus plants up there out front.
Yeah.
They were like, some of them have like grown into the paper towel that it was on.
Oh.
So I just kind of broke up the paper towel into a section of dirt and put a light layer of dirt over it.
Well, it's biodegradable, why not?
Yeah.
Well, her spark plugs look pretty good. They look very good. Well, at least that one does. I'm putting in AC Delco Platinums, and since there is no shiny gold iridite coating, I'm gonna put some anti-seize on the threads. Oh, you know what I didn't even bother to do was check the gap. So it's actually at a 48. Now I've got it right at 43. Careful. It's kind of hard to tell. GoPro doesn't focus up close. So these do not have crush washers on them. They're a tapered seat. So these, as soon as these touch, these are... You should put a torque rating on it, but I don't know what it is. That's probably good. This is the goofiest air cleaner box I've ever seen. It's like encapsulated. Just pops off. That pops off. Slide it into the throttle body first. Alright. And then that hose fell right on the place. I like it. That little wiring harness there. 2 bolts that I did not lose. There it goes. Alright, let's start her up. Sounds good. Sounds better actually. Doesn't sound all clicky clacky. Alright. Maybe it didn't need spark plugs after all. Yay! The Trailblazer's finally done. It sounds pretty good now. So, I don't know, maybe there's another timing belt on another Trailblazer in the future. I don't know, maybe. We'll see. She doesn't know when the last time she's done it, so. But I think that's gonna do it for this one. Thanks for hanging in there. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you next time.
One of these guys was rusted real bad. I had to put the heat on it.
I'm not sure which one it was. I think it was this one. I don't know, maybe that one. Or that one. That's the only one not rusty. It was probably that one.